Benefits of hiring virtual assistants. Hiring a virtual assistant can offer numerous benefits to individuals and businesses alike. Here are some of the key advantages. 1. Cost-effective. Virtual assistants often work remotely and are typically paid on an hourly basis or for specific tasks. This can be more cost-effective than hiring a full-time employee with all the associated overhead costs like office space, benefits, and equipment. Number 2. Flexibility. Virtual assistants can be hired on a part-time, project-based, or even hourly basis, giving you the flexibility to scale up or down as needed without the commitments of a full-time employee. Number 3. Focus on core tasks. By outsourcing routine, administrative, or time-consuming tasks to a virtual assistant, you can free up your own time and concentrate on high-value tasks that directly contribute to your business or personal goals. Number 4. Expertise. Virtual assistants often have specialized skills in various areas such as administrative tasks, social media management, content writing, graphic design, customer service, and more. This allows you to tap into their expertise without having to learn or do everything yourself. Number 5. Increased productivity. Delegating tasks to a virtual assistant can lead to increased productivity. They can handle tasks more efficiently, allowing you to accomplish more in less time. Number 6. Scalability. As your workload grows, you can easily hire additional virtual assistants or delegate more tasks to your existing assistant, enabling your business to scale without the limitations of physical office space or geographical constraints. Number 7. Time zone advantage. Depending on the location of your virtual assistant, you might gain a time zone advantage. For example, if you're in the United States and your virtual assistant is in a different time zone, tasks can be worked on while you're offline, leading to quicker turnaround times. Number 8. Reduced training time. Virtual assistants are often experienced professionals who require minimal training. They are well versed in remote work practices and tools, reducing the time you need to invest in getting them up to speed. Number 9. Access to global talent. With the rise of remote work, you're not limited to hiring talent within your immediate geographical area. This allows you to tap into a global pool of skilled professionals. Number 10. Work-life balance. Hiring a virtual assistant can help you achieve a better work-life balance by taking over tasks that might be encroaching on your personal time. This can lead to reduced stress and improved overall well-being. Number 11. Reduced administrative burden. Virtual assistants can handle various administrative tasks, such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, and handling customer inquiries, which can significantly reduce your administrative workload. Number 12. Frees up creativity. Offloading routine tasks to a virtual assistant can free up mental space for creative thinking and innovation, which is crucial for business growth and development. However, it's important to note that while there are many benefits to hiring a virtual assistant, successful collaboration requires clear communication, defined expectations, and proper management to ensure tasks are completed effectively and efficiently. This video is created by WPV Virtual Assistants. To contact us, search www.workplacevendor.com. Hire virtual assistants with WPV Virtual Assistance Service. Thank you.